Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to instantly generate clean, optimized Python code snippets for any task. Literally any task, whether you are a beginner or a pro. Let's do it. First of all, we will open ChatGPT account. Okay, so this is the chatgpt.com website. You can use it. Okay, so this is our prompt section. Here we can write the prompt of any category we want regarding the Python code. Okay, so let's write here, generate me some working and actionable Python code snippets. So this is the prompt that I have just written here. Okay, and let's see what kind of Python code snippets are generated by the chat GPT. It will just take a few seconds. Okay, so hold tight and be with us in the video. So as you can see that it has created some multiple uh, JSON files. Okay, you can see the Python coding here, snippets. Download a file from the internet, send an email using Python, Gmail API not required. Okay, and you can see fast web scraper with beautiful soap. As you can see that it has generated multiple snippets for our use. Okay, and you can just simply use them, and you will see that these prompts or the Python snippets are amazing in working. Okay, so if you want like complex snippets, we can also try for the complex. Give me some complex Python code snippets. So let's see. So as you can see that it has generated some complex advanced production style Python code snippets, okay, that demonstrate real engineering pattern, concurrency, async, networking, data pipelines, etc. As you can see that it has generated these Python codes for us. So that's how you can use ChatGPT for creating Python code snippets in just a few clicks by with the help of writing or just a simple prompts. So that was all about generating Python code snippets with the help of ChatGPT. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.